Traveling through the fourth dimension will never be a walk in the park, but it turns out there's a surprisingly straightforward way to do it. You just have to travel very, very fast.
Now I realize this sounds weird, but trust me, it's one of the best established principles in science. Believe it or not, traveling at near the speed of light transports you into the future. To explain why, let's dream up a science fiction transportation system. Imagine a track that goes right around the Earth. A track for a super fast train. We're going to use this imaginary train to get as close as possible to the speed of light and see how it becomes a time machine. On board are passengers with a one-way ticket to the future. The train begins to accelerate faster and faster. Soon it's circling the Earth over and over again. To approach the speed of light means circling the Earth pretty fast. 7 times a second, to be exact. But no matter how much power the train has, we never quite reach the speed of light since the laws of physics prevent it. Instead, let's say it gets close, just shy of that ultimate speed. Now something extraordinary happens. Time starts flowing slowly on board relative to the rest of the world. Just like near the black hole, only more so. Everything on the train is in slow motion. This happens to protect the speed limit, and it's not hard to see why. Imagine a child running forwards up the train. Her forward speed is added to the speed of the train. So couldn't she break the speed limit simply by accident? The answer is no. The laws of nature prevent the possibility by slowing down time on board. Now she can't run fast enough to break the limit. Time will always slow down just enough to protect the speed limit. And from that fact comes the possibility of traveling large distances into the future. Imagine the train left the station on January the 1st, 2050. It circles the Earth over and over again for 100 years before finally coming to a halt on New Year's Day, 2150. The passengers will have only lived 1 week because time is slowed down that much inside the train. When they got out, they'd find a very different world than the one they left. In 1 week, they'd have traveled 100 years into the future.